Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you? My name is Jeannie and this is Unfiltered 50s, and in today's video, look at what I got. I got my premium JSC mystery box in the mail, and so I thought that we would open it together, see what's inside, take a look, and let you know what I think of this. This was the second one that shipped, and so I was shocked that I got it first. So the Jeffree Star holiday mystery boxes came in 4 sizes this year. There was the mini, the premium for $60, the deluxe, and the supreme for $175. And I picked up the premium for $60 and the supreme for $175 this year. So what I got in first was my premium order. So we're going to unbox this, see what I got inside this order, and I'm supposed to get delivery of my Supreme on Monday. If that happens, I will open it right away and show you what I got in that one. And what duplicates that I get or that I'm not going to trade, I'm probably going to put those in my 3K giveaway. I'm going to have 2 giveaways for my 3K milestone, and whenever I do that giveaway, you'll be able to choose in the comments which giveaway, if you win, that you would like first, and then your second choice, so that I can try to get the giveaway. If you do win, I can try to get you the giveaway of your choice. So that's how we're going to run it, but more deets on that coming. It's just been that shipping has been so slow, but I have not forgotten. I do have a giveaway coming for that. So let's get into the $60 box that actually wasn't $60 once you paid for shipping and tax and all of that. It came to more on the $70 side. So yeah, let's get into it. Of course, I have seen spoilers because I am so nosy, but whenever you open it up, there's not any pretty packaging. It just looks like this, and of course, there is the beanie. It's white. It does have Jeffree Star on it. It's got a pink pom-pom, and it does look like it's a good size. I'm not going to put it on. I do have some extra filming to do today, and my hair is not super secured up, so I'll wait on that. But I do kind of like this. I do have a hot pink coat. Imagine that. And this will go with it. So, yep. I'll just set that over to the side. And then I got straws, and I got the color green. Green is my favorite color, so I am liking that. So, yeah, these are nice metal straws. If you haven't seen these, they are bent. I do have some cups that I like that these will definitely go in, and it does have the cleaner inside, so that's very nice. So yeah, I don't know if I would actually purchase these on my own, to be quite honest. Because I usually don't quite like metal straws. I would prefer the plastic, but if I get them in a box, they're perfectly fine, and I like them for free, or I like them in a box. But to purchase them, actually just to go and purchase them, I probably wouldn't. Then I did get the Velour Liquid Lip, and I got Celebrity Skin. So I know that that is a nude color, and very happy about that color. It looks like, give a swatch of that. That is a very pretty color. And I think I have this one already in my mini lips bundle of nudes, but it looks like this. It's just a very pretty color. So I'm very happy to have a full one of those. So yeah, Celebrity Skin, definitely loving it. It's a pinky nude, and I'm all about that. So very happy with that. Then I got a gloss And this one is in Spank Me. Okay. Oh, well. Not my first choice, definitely. It's a very bright fuchsia pink. And it looks like this. I'll just swatch it right there. It's kind of a bubblegum pink. You probably can't see it over my bright red lips, but that is the shade of that one. And that's called Spank Me. Not what I would actually go out and buy and choose for myself if I had a choice, but it's okay. And then the palette that I got is, of course, I'm thinking this packaging right here is going to be the Conspiracy, is that what it's called? Yep. The Conspiracy palette. So, yes, it looks like this. And then when you lift it out, it has this type of packaging, and it lifts up right here with the brackets. And actually, the color story in this one, to me, in my opinion, is a very nice color story. It has nudes. It has, you know, a big range of shades. It's got some greens, it's got some silvers, grays, taupes, browns, pinks, greens. It's got a black. I actually like the color story in this palette. I don't necessarily like that it was made with Shane Dawson, but you know, especially in lieu of the drama. But if we're here for the makeup and not the drama, then yeah, I actually do like this palette. That was what was in my box. Did you get any of the holiday boxes? And what are you thinking about them this year in this particular holiday mystery round compared to, say, the Halloween boxes? I did not get any of the Halloween boxes. I was waiting for the holiday Christmas boxes, and so far I think that they are good value for the money. So usually the palettes are about the $60 price point. You're getting a palette, a beanie, 2 glosses, and, well, 2 lip products, and the straws. So yeah, that was what was in here. The palette, the straws, the gloss, the velour liquid lip, and the exclusive product, which was the beanie. So 5 products, there they are. That was what was in my box. So I have seen people get the Thirsty palette, lots of variants this year. The lips are all over the place with the different shades. So I actually think the boxes were really, really good this year. Let me know down in the comments what you got in your box. And yeah, you just might be seeing these products show up. Some of them in the giveaway that's coming for the 3K. So if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you become part of the Unfiltered 50s team over here. It's really easy. Just click on the big red subscribe button down below. We do a lot of fun things here. We do unboxings, makeup reviews, new makeup, wish list, and whether or not we're going to buy it. So some will I buy it. We do collab videos. We just have a ball over here. And we've got some new and exciting things coming for 2021. Yay, 2021. We can't wait to bag 2020 and move into 2021. So yeah, what is on your list of exciting new things that you're hoping to accomplish in 2021? Let me know about it. What was your favorite thing from this box? Let me know down in the comments below. I love chit-chatting with you in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, guys, smooches. Bye till next time.